Now I want to share to you this how about to pollinate this plant. Maybe if you have a melon and then you see there is a baby melon like this, and there's a flower like this. If you see, you know, every plants the pollinator here is the bee. You know, there is a bee. They pollinate about your plants like this. There this bee will take it. This is the male flower. This is the male flower. Male flowers have no fruits downside. See, no fruits downside. And the female flowers like this. There is a baby fruits downside. So the rules of the bee, they are taking the pollen here. They taking pollen here from the male flower, and then this bee will going to the female flower, and the pollen will stick to it inside. And after that is this baby become big because of the female flower have no pollen. This will not growing, and this will only decay. So it must be every female flower there must be a pollen coming from the male flower. So sometimes the season is very hot, so some bees are not coming. So better is to help the bee. One thing you will do is like this. So I take one flower, and then so that you can do it, you will remove this like this petal, because the pollen is stocking this inside this. See this very small, and then after that this you will touching this here inside. Yeah, you will touching only like this. Some other are they drop only in the top side of this flower, but for me it's better to touching, so that you will sure that the pollen is touching. Yeah, like this. Yeah, that's enough. Like this only the how to pollinate the female flower of the melon. And then if the season is very hot, this will have a coming problem of maybe temperature is too much. So better is to cover this. You put only like this, cover. Yeah, no. So that in the from 11:30 this is too much hot, up to 3 o'clock. So better is put cover. See, there is also the one, but probably if you are inspect is maybe it's better to put their downside, and then cover, and then we will check which is there are now the two vines have two baby meron. So maybe after 2 days we will I will check which is which fruit is good looking, and then the good looking, so You will be choosing this to let this grow. And then the other fruits that are not good, you will remove. And then after you removing the fruits, the not good baby fruits, you will put only there in the downside there near in the roots, so that this fruit will be become also additional fertilizer. See, like this I see one baby melon here. See, yeah, there's a one baby melon here. Inshallah this will grow. You see some no good baby melon I cutting and then put there, so you know they're in the near in the roots, yeah, there, so it will become also additional fertilizer. Yes. And then what I teach you before, if you see that there is pores that little growing, and then you know the tops like this, so these tops like this you will cutting so that the nutrients will go in there. And also the pollination, this is very important, so that you can ensure that that every female flower have a pollen. See, like this, there is also a baby melon here. Now the problem now is the climate is very hot, that's why I put here. This is also a one technique, so that the flower will not dry, because if the flowers is more exposing in the hot season, so it will easily dry, so you cannot harvest if always the flowers dry. So better to help your plants. That's why it is good that you always check your plants, so that you will know, you will know what is the needs of your plants. And also good in you if you always looking in the green color. This green color will give your eyes rest feeling. That's why, you know, before the farmer, even they are old enough, but their eyes is clear before, because of from morning they are always and every day they are always looking in the green color, so their eyes is giving rest. That is the one benefits of the green color coming from the leaves of your plants. So in this area we will check, maybe there is a baby melon here, maybe. See, yeah, if you see that if the climate is hot, every tops of your melon, you will bring some outside, because tomorrow again the climate is very hot, so that the flower in the tops, this will not exposing to the sun, like this, yeah, like this. So you put under but during the cold season you will let the tops to go outside, so that this tops will take up vitamin D from the shine of the sun. But now problem is too much hot. Like this. Oh, what is this? Ah, I want number one. There is another fruit. You see? The fruit is ripe now. See, alhamdulillah. We got another fruits, ripe fruits here. See, because of, the... Oh, that's better. The lips of it is too much thick. So, the sun will not shine, will not coming here. Oh, the sunshine. So, oh, see, alhamdulillah. Another fruits. See? And see the soil here. The soil is up to now it is bit. See this there is a baby melon here, but it damaged. See, damaged because of the very hot temperature. Like this, if you even the temperature is very hot, but you see there is another one here. But it's too much full covering of the leaves. You see, until now they are not damaged. That is the benefits of if you always covering, and also this will avoid also in the tip, because I don't know everywhere you going or always the tip is there, because here two pros already take by the tips. So maybe this tips like to taste, and after he cannot control his, after he take without permission. I don't like to plant, only checking the plants of the other people. After that he see, he will take. This. In the backside I have also a plant of sweet potato. See the sweet potato, alhamdulillah, this is good, very healthy, alhamdulillah, because our downside is always wet. Oh, alhamdulillah, we have one here, number one, alhamdulillah. So don't forget to pollinate your plants. Any plants that you have, you must to pollinate mostly. If you notice that there is no bees, the best time of pollination is in the morning, because the pollen is fresh. Also, now the time is 6 o'clock. Only I show you because I want to share only my knowledge of in the morning. I have no time to pollinate because I am in the work. So okay, thank you very much, at don't forget to subscribe and follow to the new viewer. Okay, thank you very much.